Hi, I'm Corine. Thank you for joining me today in the kitchen.
Saying goodbye to gluten does not mean saying goodbye to great food and great taste.
So please like this video, share it with friends, and subscribe to our channel. And today we are making ginger snaps. So today for our ginger snaps, you're going to need 2 cups of gluten-free flour. This is the Bob's Redmill 1-to-1 baking mix. You'll need 1 teaspoon each of cloves, cinnamon, and ginger, 3 teaspoons of baking soda, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. We'll need 1 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of shortening, or this is a mixture of dairy-free margarine and shortening, 3/4 cup, 1 egg, and a 1/4 cup of molasses. So the first thing we're going to do is mix our dry ingredients quickly together. If you so choose, you can sift them. I'm not going to do that. I'll use a whisk and just blend them in. The idea is that you don't want to have clumps of ginger or salt throughout your cookies. You want it distributed. Okay. Now what we're going to do is take the shortening and butter mixture.
Always helps to have a KitchenAid, right?
You can use a stand mixer or you can use a hand mixer. Back in the day, you could even do this by hand. So we want to get the shortening and butter kind of loosened up, start to whip a little bit.
This is where you add in some of the sugar?
Yeah. We're going to add in the sugar, just 1 cup. You want to mix the shortening and the sugar until it's light and fluffy, scraping down your sides a couple of times. The idea is, you see here, you can see all the sugar crystals in it. You want to get it so that those are blended in. Alright, so this has been about 2 to 3 minutes. The idea is that this is coming and being light and fluffy. You can see that it's almost a frosting-like consistency. Now we're going to add in the egg and mix that. And then we'll add in the 1/4 cup of molasses.
Almost looks like chocolate syrup. I made the one bad thing one time when I was a little kid and thought it was chocolate syrup, so I put my finger in there and then put it in my mouth. And how long do you let that go for?
We'll mix it until it's all blended in. We'll scrape down the sides here in just a moment. It's light and fluffy.
That's looking really good. She makes awesome ginger snaps, which is one of my most favorite cookies, which she's going to leave me some.
You think? So now we're going to add the flour. We're going to add it in small increments. What you want to not do is put it all in and then turn your mixer on high, or you will be wearing your flour. We've all done it, right?
I know. I did it one time and it looked like it snowed in the kitchen. And then all over me.
So it looks like it's going to be kind of dry, but it takes just a few minutes to mix in. Again, the art to cookies is taking it slow, measuring, and then mixing and scraping down. That will make a really good chewy ginger snap. You can see it's nice, ready to go. We're ready to roll these out, put them on a cookie sheet. I have a couple of pans lined with parchment paper. This saves on cleanup. I have my dough, 2 teaspoons. I also have a couple of tablespoons of granulated sugar here on a plate, a small dish with just some plain old water, and a glass that has a fairly smooth bottom that we'll use for pressing them down. You're going to want, depending on how big you want these to be, just make your balls typically about a tablespoon or so. You'll roll it out gently, and then once you have them, you'll come along, dip your cup in the water, then into the sugar, and then use that to press it down, and you'll have your pressed cookies. Okay, so your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. We'll put these in for about 8 to 10 minutes. You want to check them after 8 minutes. And then, see, usually they do take about 10, and they will spread a lot. These have been baking about 10 minutes. Keep in mind, these look a little underdone at the moment. This is the way the recipe does. So we'll move it over to a cooling rack. Set it here. All right, so it's been 8 minutes. You can see these are pretty much done. When they're at about the, depends on where you're at, but yep, these are done. You can see the crystallization of all the sugar.
Oh, that's the sugar.
We'll put that in. Oh, here are our final products, the ginger snaps. They smell delicious. They taste delicious. They're family approved. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen today. And remember, saying goodbye to gluten does not mean saying goodbye to great taste and great food. Have a good evening.